It's that time of year again when we need to be prepared for hurricanes. Even if you've been through large storms in the past, I challenge you to take some time to prepare for a potential storm this year. No two storms are alike, and even if you made it through the last one without issue, the next one could be different and bring different challenges to you and your family. Start with a plan. You can build a plan by going to ready.gov or other websites. These plans will guide you on things like building a disaster kit, identifying shelters and evacuation routes. You should have multiple plans in place. This should include for sheltering and evacuation. Also, communicate your family's plans with other relatives so they know where to find you in the event of a storm. Part of your plan is having a disaster kit. It should include items such as non-perishable food, plenty of water, a first aid kit, battery-powered radio, and other emergency supplies. Ultimately, these items should help you either get to safety or sustain you in the event of power outages. Don't forget to plan ahead when it comes to prescription medication. If you have a generator, make sure to test it prior to a storm and read through the instructions to ensure safe operations. Generators can be deadly if not used appropriately. If a storm is headed towards you, make sure to prepare your home. Check your roof, gutters, windows, and doors for any damage or obstructions, and remove any potential projectiles from your yard or patios. And finally, take a video inventory of your home. Capture the model and serial numbers of your valuable items. This can make the claims process much easier in the event of a loss. Put copies of important documents in fire and waterproof containers. By taking these steps, you can help protect your home and family during a hurricane. Stay safe and be prepared.